Hello, today I'm going to be talking about something called value engineering. Does that put you immediately in mind of factories and grinding wheels and that sort of nonsense? Well, I'm afraid that's not quite right. Value engineering is a fantastic philosophy, and what it helps you do is focus on what it is that the customer values and helps you engineer out the costs for the processes that the customer doesn't value. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're doing a mortgage application. So you've got a process that you go through. The mortgage gets documented, it gets processed on an IT system somewhere, and then it probably goes somewhere for approval. And then it probably goes somewhere else for checking. Who's paying for the checking? Why aren't you doing it right the first time? Why should the customer pay for mistakes that you might make? That's not something the customer values particularly. If the customer buys something from you, a mortgage, then they rather expect it to be what they ordered and right first time. And that's an example of value engineering. Now, there are all sorts of clever tricks and tools to use with value engineering. And by using those, you'll see quite astonishingly how poor most of us are at processing the product, the service, whatever it is that we're providing to our customers, in order to reduce those unnecessary costs. The things that we do that are just in case, the things that we do to check that we did it properly. You're checking that you did it properly, and why don't you get someone who can do it properly in the first place? So this has been Stephen Walker, Motivation Matters, making people want to work.